Welcome to the Honda Power Equipment video on how to unpack and set up your new EB2800i or EG2800i Honda generator. In this video, we'll show you how to properly and safely unpack and set up your new generator so it will provide you with many years of reliable service. Take a moment to read the safety labels on the generator. These labels warn you of potential hazards that can cause serious injury. Consult the owner's manual regarding the possible hazards of operation of this generator. Using a generator indoors can kill you in minutes. Generator exhaust contains carbon monoxide. This is a poison you cannot see or smell. Never use inside a home or garage, even if doors and windows are open. Only use outside and far away from windows, doors, and vents. Honda portable generators are lightweight and can typically be carried by one person. Both the EB2800i and EG2800i models weigh around 67 pounds. Carry your new Honda generator to a suitable work area like a garage. Lift the generator out of the box and place it on a level work surface. Every Honda generator is started and tested before it leaves the factory. After testing, the gas and oil are drained from the generator prior to shipping. Finding a small amount of residual oil or gasoline in the generator is normal. Do not attempt to start the engine until after you add oil. To ensure you receive important service information in the event of a product update or a recall, please register your generator within 30 days of purchase. Don't worry, your information will remain confidential. It won't be released to any other company or organization. There are 3 ways to register. Mail the postage-paid product registration card, complete the online form at powerequipment.honda.com, or simply scan the QR code located in the owner's manual under product registration. To fill your generator with the proper amount of oil, first unscrew the oil dipstick and set it aside. Make sure the generator is on a level surface. Use a funnel to add enough 10W30 oil to bring the oil level just to the upper limit of the oil filler neck. You can expect to use approximately 12 to 13.5 ounces of oil when filling it for the very first time. When the oil begins to run out of the filler neck, the oil level is correct. Reinstall the dipstick and screw it in until it's tight, and wipe up any excess oil. Before starting your generator, you need to fill the fuel tank with fresh gasoline from a clean container. Always refuel your generator in a well-ventilated area with the engine stopped and away from any source of flames or sparks. Gasoline is very flammable and the fumes are explosive. You can be burned or seriously injured when refueling. This engine is certified to operate on unleaded gasoline with a pump octane rating of 86 or higher. Remove the gas cap and fill the tank to the bottom of the red fuel level mark. Do not overfill the fuel tank. Be careful not to spill any gas. If you do, wipe it up before you start the engine. Reinstall the gas cap and tighten it until it stops. Move the generator outside and away from any open windows before continuing due to the presence of deadly carbon monoxide gas that could kill or injure you or someone else. To start the engine the first time, move the fuel lever to the on position. Make sure the eco throttle switch is off. Pull the choke rod out to the closed position. Turn the engine switch to the on position. Pull the starter grip lightly until you feel resistance, then pull briskly away from the generator. Be sure to return the starter grip gently to prevent damage. After the engine is started, gradually move the choke lever back in. Allow the generator to warm up for approximately 3 minutes. To stop the engine under normal conditions, turn off or disconnect all appliances that are connected to the generator and turn the engine switch to the off position. This concludes the video tutorial on how to unpack and set up your EB2800i or EG2800i Honda generator. Always refer to the owner's manual for clarification and more detail on the procedures shown in this video.